All doors purchased from Woodco Building Products come with an integral door sweep. This is important because it allows you to change the sweep without having to remove the door from the hinges. To complete this task, you'll need two things: a thick, quality putty knife and a pry bar or wonder bar. Go ahead and open the door and take your quality thick putty knife and just start at one end and press between the bottom of the door and the top of the sweep and pull up on the wonder bar to pry the sweep out. Go ahead and repeat that process on the exterior of the door. It is now time to install the new sweep on the door. A quality tip that may save you from scuffing your flooring is to take the mat from the outside of your home and place it on the floor inside the home. This will give you a protective surface on the floor that you can pry your pry bar against. When installing the new sweep, go ahead and open the door up to 90 degrees and begin at the hinge side. Line up the end of the sweep with the side of the door. Apply gentle pressure and the sweep will grab. Work your way across the floor or across the door until you get to the strike side. Now we will slide our mat under the door. Slide the wonder bar under the door on the protective surface and just lift up and work your way across the door. Go ahead and complete this process on the other side. And that's all there is to replacing an integral sweep on a door purchased from Woodco Building Products.